Hey?
Rear a bit bald.
Yeah, very bold. I do need a new tire. Oh, I have a tip for you guys on how to save some money. You know, oftentimes you'll have, like if you're doing an oil change for example, you always have a little bit of engine oil left over. At least where I get it from, you have to buy a specific amount of oil, like per purchase. It's just use that little leftover oil as chain lube. Because if we think about it, engine oil and chain lube both have pretty much the same properties. Good afternoon. I'm good, and yourself, Oscar? 2 bars to something new. Oh. To reset the clock, because I'm pretty pedantic about tracking mileage. Oh, it's that rattling noise. I hate it. Oh well. It is what it is. We are going to see my friend who's on that Ninja 300. We're just going to ride around. I'm just going to show him the area a little bit more. Not going to do anything too crazy today. My rear tire is running out of tread quite quickly. Why is there so much traffic? My favorite little manual covers. That's the most exciting thing of this trip so far. Is it just me, or does, like, when you put petrol in your vehicular, do you always just fill it up when it gets low, or do you put in little bits? Because I know that petrol is hella expensive now at the moment. I mean, for me, I put in 100 Rand each time. At least for me, I'm a brokey still.
You're broke! You're fucking poor!
Okay, let's skip the queue. Go as far as I can. This Audi person is not being particularly nice. If anyone's in Durban and wants to sponsor me a new rear tire, that would be greatly appreciated. Namaste. That would be the same for a Yamaha R3 or Ninja 400 or Ninja 300 or something. Even if it's secondhand, I don't really mind. As long as there's some sort of tread on it. Just putting it out there. Let's do the next sneak attack, shall we? Dun 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 dun. Slam on the brakes. Back tire sliding out because there's no traction. Whee. Damn, man! Look at them boots. Damn. Pretty much the same, except those look much cleaner. There you go. Hey?
Did you got the tire change?
No, I didn't. No. All these dogs are so loud. Noisy barks. Perfect parking spot, you know. Look in there. Even his helmet is so sick, right? This has got a nice corner, so let's give it a little bit of speed. Oh, he's going so slow. Oh. Oh. Just from the same topic as the last YouTube video, just try and encourage all your friends to wear the gear. Some of them you won't get through to, but that's just how it is. This friend of mine, I'm glad I got him to wear all the gear. Got himself a shimexy pair of Alpine-Star SMX6s or whatever, which are the same ones that I have. He also got a jacket. Yes, he did have a jacket. I'll come back to you, Black Bespoke, a little bit later. Oh, it sounds so good! From my perspective on this bike sounds real good, but I think from a third-person POV it doesn't sound the best. My feelings were touched on Facebook. Someone even called it a scooter. Please turn. Please turn. No, why didn't you turn? Unfortunately, my friend, I'm going to have to... Oh, fuck, that's a digger. Of course, the huge-ass digger. The huge-ass digger, man. This is quite a nice loop, but there's so many cars here, so we're just going to wait and let them go through and then we'll follow in after them. Did you get a different angle with it? On the chin mount?
A little bit.
A little bit? Okay, I don't know, I thought because it looks a bit different.
I cut the foam a little bit.
Okay, yeah, it was probably that then. To get a different angle, I assume.
Yeah, but it turns out that it's because of the camera itself as well.
Yeah.
The wide angle is not wide enough, so
Yeah.
even though I cut it like twice.
Yeah.
And it just got lower, but the head is only like up here, like this.
Oh, I see.
So it's like,
As a phone is not
yeah.
not exactly made for it.
I know I ever thought about it.
Exactly. Huh? We'll see. Oh well. And then normally I do a U-turn here and go back. Pretty much that's the Umhlanga arch. It's got the Hilton Garden Inn on top and it says Umhlanga arch and it looks like an arch, believe it or not. Going through the village. Only thing I know in here is a Medisport Pharmacy and the George. This clutch is so heavy, my hand is getting a cramp. There we go. Boing. Let's go to Black Bespoke, shall we? You go as far as you can to the other side while keeping the center point. So then you go all the way across and you're just rotating, and then we're going to twist and we're going to go down. Focus point, and we just rotate around it. And then to get the most range possible, you can literally just fall over. Across as much as we can, and then we're just going to twist. Walking up to the bike, and then you don't have to actually get on it. But you just start with this, and then you go down. And then we're gonna make an L shape, and then we're gonna try and do that, and then you can go from right to left. So twirly whirly. You can just keep twirling. Oh damn, man's sure ridden it. Do you see that piece of plastic on the floor? Did you see that piece of plastic on the floor? No. On the inside? Yeah, that was scary. It was big. I've done that every single time. Sneak attack.